I like to call this step the switch crossover kick, and I usually do this in a faster song, so this is how it goes. So you want to give yourself a little hop first. It's like a hop, skip, and your heel hits the ground, and as you twist it around, your other foot comes out, and you cross, and you land on your heel, and that twists around. The hop part gives you the momentum to keep that going. So let's do like 4 of them in a row. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, I'm using my arms to twist my body as I go. So this is if you want to practice without doing the skip part, just practice stepping across and using your arms in the opposite direction. Let's do 4 of those again, up to speed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's what I call the cross, switch, kick, steppy thing. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Eartha Baca. Please give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading just simple little tutorials, little steps that I do in class, and maybe can help you. Also some choreo ideas. When you see my videos of us dancing, it's just having fun and just sharing ideas and songs. So rock on!